guys, today we are going to be making edible pet ghosts. I'm so excited to show you how I make it. Let's get started. All you'll need is 1 plastic cup, ready crust, candy melts, candy corn, and ghost peeps. You will also need this label to put on your cup. I will give you a link in the description down below where I found it. Now I got the melted chocolate and I'm gonna pour it in. Put the label on the very top and then tape it.
And if you're gonna be transporting this pet ghost, maybe to give to your friends, you can tape the sides here. Pet ghost, open with caution. Isn't that super cute?
And tasty. Another option is pudding. You can, if you want to eat it right away. I'm going to insert the ghost.
So this is not a good idea if you're gonna be transporting, say, to your friend's house or to school, because the pudding won't get hard, so the ghost might get all wobbly. So this is only if you're gonna, eat it right away, or if you're gonna have a party at the house or something, and you don't have to carry it somewhere, because the ghost will fall over.
But it's still yummy.
Yeah, it's gonna be yummy, but if you have to bring it somewhere, then we recommend a candy melt.
Now I'm going to insert the candy corn. Ta-da! It's like a UFO. I'm going to tape it again. Ta-da! Isn't this so cute and easy? You should try this at home if you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap on the bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. See you in the next episode.